welcome to my YouTube channel Nick's Arts. Today we are going to make mandala art. So guys, let's start for it. We need a pencil, compass, a ruler and a red pen. Now we draw a semicircle. In this semicircle, we draw already a sketch of mother. If you want any other sketch, then you can draw it. We draw different size of circles. So guys, see that I made all different type of semicircles, and now I fill different types of design. In first semicircle, we draw a small petals design. We fill it. Now I give a shading in the space between these petals. This art enjoyed by anyone who's scared, woman, man, anyone can do it and enjoy this art. Now guys, I give round circle design in second semicircle. This is very easy to fill. If you want anything more design, different types of design, you can fill it. In third semicircle, we draw a leaf design, which is very beautiful to see. I completed. If you want to different type of design as per your choice, whichever you like, you can fill in this. This is the triangle shape design. This is the square shaped design with flowers. These are the big petals with half flowers. Now see guys that I fill the color in the sketch of mother with the help of red pen and a pencil. These are the half circles. Mandala art are also known mandal in Sanskrit. We also call mandal in Sanskrit. Dark these semicircles by which we see that these are very attractive, look very attractive. These are the big petals. In these petals, we draw flowers. This is the end point of this art.
Mulut dia kayak
So guys, see that I drew these.
video na.
This is very more beautiful and looking very pretty and attractive. Thank you guys for seeing my channel.